An early morning deadly shooting leading to questions about your rights to protect your home.
Tonight we're taking a closer look at the castle doctrine after a man in South Austin was shot and killed early this morning.
Police say this happened when he left a group home for people with disabilities and started banging on the door of another home.
Well, at 6 o'clock I took the trash out to put in a can, and I heard 3 gunshots. Boom, boom, boom.
Police say the homeowner was afraid for his life and shot the man who had forced his way into the entryway of that home. A neighbor who lives nearby says she has never had any problems with anyone from the group home. She also feels for her neighbor who pulled the trigger.
They're just wonderful people, and I'm sure he was protecting his family. He's got 3 kids over there.
The group home tells us the man killed ran away from that home this morning after becoming agitated.
Texas law protects homeowners who shoot intruders. They also say a person who can justifiably kill someone does not have to run away. The case in South Austin today will be the most recent test of Texas gun laws, but as KXAN investigator Kevin Schwaller shows us, it's by no means the first test.
Last year, a woman near Houston shot a man she said she heard trying to get through her front door. The man turned out to be her neighbor, Sam Keene, a Houston firefighter who investigators say had taken a cab home after going to a bar with friends.
Be very, very careful. You've got good rights in Texas, strong presumptions, but use them wisely.
Kirk Evans is the president of Texas Law Shield, a legal defense program specializing in firearms. He explained the rules in the state, and under those rules, you cannot shoot someone for simply trespassing.
But the second they attempt to either break in or get you out of that house, you're allowed to use deadly force.
The same goes for if you're in your car or at work. You can also use deadly force any place you have a right to be, but you have to reasonably believe you could be killed or seriously injured. Evans says the standards for those beliefs are based on the eyes of the person pulling the trigger and what they know about the situation. Still, the Texas laws have critics. Texas Representative Garnet Coleman believes the state rules go too far, and he's pushing to change them.
I think it expands the ability to take the law into one's own hands further than anyone ever anticipated.
Investigators of the shooting near Houston say they've handed over the case to the district attorney's office. Kevin Schwaller, KXAN News.
Another high-profile example of this law, the murder conviction of Fred Yazdi in the Avery Ranch neighborhood of northwest Austin. He shot and killed Enrique Riccio back in 2012. While Yazdi claimed the castle doctrine, a jury determined he went too far. Yazdi walked out of his front door and shot Riccio on the sidewalk as he was running away from the house.
Now, first warning weather.